Hello guys, welcome back to Legend. Today we are back here with another brand new drone flight. We've got a lake behind us. We're gonna take off. I'm gonna show you around.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
Wow, I seen that take. You know what? It was sunny the entire day, and the second I take off, the sun's gone. Probably behind a cloud, but it might come back. Let's see where the sun's at. It's a massive lake, isn't it? Alright, so we're gonna go to max height, take a 360 photo. I've flown here before. I've flown here like twice already. I made 2 videos in this place. This is the 3rd flight in this area.
Max altitude reached.
So we're gonna stop recording and we're gonna do a 360 photo. Let's go on the lake. So drone is over the lake right now. It looks amazing. We're just gonna go above here in the center of the lake. I'm gonna do a 360 photo. Stop recording. 360 photo. Alright, 360 photo complete. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take 48 megapixel photos. Take this nice photo. Low down shot. Take a couple photos. Look at the swans moving. Let's record now and get a video of them. I'm just gonna go around the lake. Gonna get nice shots. Wait. Gonna get an orbit shot of the lake. So many birds. I'm not gonna fly my drone low down. I don't want it to get hit. It's amazing, this place, isn't it? It's just got cloudy as I got here. That happens with most of my drone flights. The sun's coming back out again. So we're gonna get a shot of this as well, shot of these boats. I want to take a photo of that. That looks amazing. Let's go back to photo mode. I can take a photo of that. I'm gonna go back. Click another photo. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna take more photos. We're gonna take a low down shot instead. What we're gonna do, we're gonna now go into video mode. And take a shot of these boats. Let's come back towards where I am. Alright, so I'm right over here. We're gonna get a low down shot of the lake. Gotta be careful to not hit any birds. Let's get low down shots of here, look. I'm careful that it's not gonna hit any birds anyway. That is an amazing shot. Right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna get more low down shot of the lake. Look at that, it's amazing, isn't it? I can do a low down shot over here. Alright, let's do it in 3, 2, 1. That is amazing, isn't it? That is an amazing shot. Let's go to the other side of the lake. We're at the other side. Alright. I want to orbit the whole lake now. I'm going to take a photo of that, looks amazing with the ripples. Take a photo of that, 40 megapixel. Now we're going to go above. I'm going to take a photo of that as well. Alright, back into video mode. Let's get a top down shot. I haven't done this before. Top down shot of the boat. I need to do that. I need to take a photo of that. That looks amazing, with the birds going across it. Do portrait as well. What else can we do? Look for other boats and get oh, that's amazing. We're getting some amazing photos. Not just about the videos, about the photos as well. See, I want to get both photos and videos. You can kind of see the ripples in the water, it's amazing. Alright, let's go back into video mode and we're gonna follow the boat this way. There's a lot of seagulls in my area. Alright, so at 29%, I'm gonna get this last few shots and then I'm gonna come back. So I'm gonna show you my area. There's a lot of seagulls right here. They all come here, which is insane. Right, let's get the last couple shots. It's amazing, isn't it? I'm gonna get this final shot. Let's get footage of the treetops on this side. Amazing. There's another lake over here in this area.
Battery level is low.
Come to return to home.
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
Explore this little area. What happened with the camera? It looks a bit weird. Let's come back now. Have I got FPV mode? I think I've got FPV mode on. How do I turn it off? Oh, now we're in FPV mode. I don't know what's going on with the gimbal. It's acting weird. It's really strange. Turn it off. Why is the gimbal? It just looks a bit weird. It looks off to me. Anyway, we're gonna land it now. Got an amazing drone flight in. Got to land before that beeping sound. In my last video, I cut out the beeping sounds because it was kind of loud for the video. So look, the seagulls right over here. Anyway, we're gonna land it. Alright, so that was my amazing drone flight at this lake. I hope you enjoyed that video. I had to cut out the beeping of the drone because obviously it will be too loud for the video. Thank you for watching my drone flight, and I'll speak to you soon.